my friend, this is Dave Sharp, and inside this brand new book, you're going to discover something unlike anything that you've ever seen before. It's called the Affiliate Domination Formula. This is the formula that I've used over the last 10 years to dominate leaderboards of products I've promoted and generate millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. I've taught it also to affiliates who've promoted my products and programs, and many of them have made 6 and 7 figures doing so. And until now, I've only taught parts of this formula in keynotes and at events that I've done, but I finally sat down and I outlined the entire formula inside this brand new book. So what you're gonna find here inside of this book is detailed instructions of this formula, plus charts and graphs and visual examples to explain everything in exact detail. And on top of that, I have bonuses for you when you order today. First of all, you're gonna get access to my 15-day online business builder challenge, where you're gonna get click-by-click instructions and video tutorials to earning low, mid, and high ticket commissions as an affiliate using this formula. I'm also going to give you a personal one-on-one business plan consultation with an advisor from my team, and I'm going to give you access to our 19,000 person private Facebook group where you can get support and network and bounce ideas around. Lastly, I also want to give you these affiliate domination ad scripts, these video scripts, phone scripts, and email templates, which will become priceless to you and help you dominate your promotions like never before. Now you might be wondering, why is Dave doing this for so little? And in complete transparency, because I want to earn your trust and your business the old-fashioned way. I want to show you that my stuff works before you fork over big bucks for an advanced course or coaching. And let me just, while I'm at it, give you more transparency. In 2008, I just got clean from a crippling drug and an alcohol addiction. I was sleeping on my dad's couch, going to work with him on construction jobs every day. Now, eventually I saved up enough. I moved into this old dilapidated house. I bought an old rust bucket Ford F-150, but I needed a way out of that poverty that I was living in. So I hopped online. I started looking for ways to make money online since I had no degrees or business experience and was a 9th grade dropout. Well, my friends, they laughed at me. My family, same thing, for trying to start an online business. But I ignored them because for every hater comment and snide remark, I got another lead and another commission, and soon moved out of that house and into here, which I paid for with cash, bought a car that had no rust on it, became an award-winning marketer, have been featured on Forbes, all that. And somehow along the way, a high school dropout became a mentor to thousands of other online marketers around the world, but I never wanted that title. I never asked for it. I just went to events, I spoke, I taught, was treated like a celebrity. I think because what I teach really works. There's one thing that's taken me from loser to legend as an affiliate marketer, and that's this domination formula that I outlined in my brand new book. So grab a copy and all of the bonuses right now. It'll help you finally have the success that you deserve. It'll make all your haters finally eat their words. Peace.